It gives me a lot of pride because growing up myself, I didn't have these opportunities. There wasn't a lot of talk about going to college. So our students are able to come to this camp for 4 weeks, starting in 6th grade in middle school with our STEM program. The reason why Florida Gulf Coast University and this partnership is so important to us is because much of the majors and the departments here, certifications, degrees, all align with our Career Pathways programming. For us to come in and change that mindset for our students and provide these opportunities, it really truly is life-changing.
It has been so much fun getting to go hands-on with these students. It's amazing to see them getting involved in STEM activities.
And seeing that light bulb go off just from that one question I asked them was one of those, again, like fulfilling moments where I was like, wow, I'm helping these kids learn something, like I'm contributing to their learning.
It's all about being in this together. The Immokalee Foundation can provide only so much. And so if we don't have a community coming together, we're not able to provide this life-changing experience for our students. There's nothing like helping a student believe in themselves and believe that they can do it.